I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I have created this makeup look, and if you want to know how I created it, then keep on watching. So today I'm creating a all green eyeshadow look, and I'm using just one palette. So I'm using the one from Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve that looks like this on the outside. So first you want to do is take a round brush like this one, and you want to take this dark green color right here and put it in the outer corner of your eye. Now you want to wipe off your brush and use the same one, the round brush, and you want to go in the inner corner of your eye with this minty green color right here. Just in the inner corners of your eyes, bringing it down to your lower lashes, meeting the already dark green and also meeting the dark green in the crease. If you're struggling to get a color to stick or be as pigmented, just use your finger and dab in the area that you need extra color. That's what I did with my inner corners off camera. And I'm going to be using my finger for this, and I'm using this sparkly marine blue right here. And now you want to blend, and I'm using Essence Eye Blender brush that looks like this. And you want to blend it softly so that there is no super harsh lines, but the lines are a little bit defined. The next thing I want to be putting on is mascara, and I am putting mascara on my upper and lower lashes. So first I will curl my lashes. And then I will be using the Maybelline's the Colossal that looks like this. Now I want my lash line to pop just a little bit more, so I'm going to be putting a black eyeliner on my waterline, just on my upper waterline and not on my lower, just because I want the lash line to pop just a little bit more. And if you feel like you want to be using false lashes, you can go ahead and do that and put that on. So I'm just using one without a name, and it's just a normal black liner that looks like this. Then I want to finish the look off by putting on some setting spray, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix that looks like this. So this is the finished look. This is what it looks like, an all green makeup look, well, all green eyeshadow makeup look. So with that, if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. Now, I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!